Yeah, we'll plan another.
It's the second time that's happened to me today.
Look, he's shaking like a leaf.
My ears are fucking ringing so much.
I wish you'd stayed with us, it was really difficult.
It's tempting, it's so tempting.
Yeah, because the leaf was...
Oh, that man, we're going to just randomly chuck it at him. Really? Come on, there's a lid to come off, so I have to take this one and scratch it.
I was trying to find you.
Chuck them both.
What?
Chuck them both.
Right! Right! Right!
Yeah, I want to use one.
Bang!
Oh, what's that smoke?
You got a bit.
One smoke, yeah.
Ready?
Right!
Go apologise.
Sorry!
He'll punch you in the face. Knee him in the bollocks.
Give me that helmet.
What a twat.
Thank
Have you
you.
ever been shot in the helmet?
Yeah?
Is that a ballistic
No, not that
Yeah.
helmet.
No, not so far. I'm not going to shoot me in the pit.
Let's pick the elbow.
Stay there, gun.
Right, let's head up.
Yep.
Still on safety.
That laser freaks a lot of people out when you've got it on them, doesn't it?
That's smoky.
That's very smoky.
Yeah, we'll go like this.
What the hell?
You do it, didn't it?
Laser.
Must be in it, man.
Wait, did you just buy that off their laser as well?
Oh no, I have that for.
Can I grade the marshal?
Come. Oh, no. Have you got any frags left?
Yeah, one.
Where is it? No.
No, I'm here.
Hey, thank you.
You're going to chuck it?
Yeah.
You're going to chuck it.
Andy.
Fail. Oh, I've got no more to have fun with. Oh. I didn't do nothing. I didn't shoot you. You got no gun to shoot me with anyway. Oh, my smoke! Bloody hell! No! 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 Fuck! Oh! Thank you, helmet. That'll teach you not to shoot the marshal. Fuck! Oh! Oh! Ow! Ah! Okay, I get a point! Ow! Ow! Is it safe now? Thank you. Ah! No. Okay, I get a point. Holy Christ! No. Ah! Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Ah! Ow! Thank you for shooting me, Marshall. Thank you for shooting me.
That last stand, got that desk, I thought I was going to get captured. I shoved my knife down my boot on here.
Fucking
I thought I was going to get captured in that.
Ah!
guess. You got fucking.
What the hell?
Hell of a smoke.
Are you videoing on that thing?
Yeah?
Sick.
I had to hide it like that. Yep. Thank you for shooting me.
It's quite alright.
Yeah.
Glad you enjoyed.
You weren't the only one.
Don't even think about it. Really don't think about it. He laid down on
I laid down on a smoke grenade and...
Which is what he just said.
Yeah. No, I laid on top of someone else.
Someone
No!
actually jump on a grenade.
No, save you! Yeah, someone jumps in it and actually just like sort of doesn't explode, just flattens it. Yes!
We found that bloke.
They find out it's a close down.
Hard Catholic thing.
Bob, did you find your thingamabob?
They find out it's a close down.
Did you find your...
That was right down the other end. that was.
Some guy lost their pistol as well.
Yeah, that's why we found it. But he's right down the other fucking end.
What, the guy find the pistol?
What, today?
Yeah, someone lost a pistol.
Oh yeah, someone lost a pistol like a month ago, I think. Or something. We found
Yeah,
it.
someone lost one today actually. I don't know if you found it or not.
If you want to shoot someone, he enjoys it.
Me? No,
Yeah.
no, I don't enjoy it.
We usually
You love it.
I don't, no,
Run.
no, just don't, no, no, come on, no.
Yeah, give them the little phone. We'll give you a nice little.
Shoot him with his own gun, is it? That day.
Excuse me.
Who's that? Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Cool.
Yeah, you.
Right, when I say stop,
We
stop,
should be done
okay?
in the next hour.
Okay. Do not use that.
Okay.
Go.
Fucked.
Sorry. This kid just agreed to let us film him being shot whilst he ran. So
Is he right in the head, that one?
Just opened up on him a bit.
If he's dumb enough.
Opened up about God knows how many rounds of this one lad. Who just legged it.
Taking cover now.
With his own fucking 203 on the bottom, man.
He actually radioed me. Ow!
You should fucking use the 203 on him. Just be like, oh, it's standing.
Someone shoot me a paintball gun from this distance. There's about 20 of them as well.
Should get you with the 203.
Someone got me in the arse and someone got me in the arm. This one that hurt.
I fucking had to go at his, I think I missed it.
That was nice.
I know.
Whoa.
In the video, mine's a green laser shooting all the...
Oh, well, get it then, you fucking twat. No, just let it spin.
Why have you got it still? Oh. Oh, fine.
Then you just let it spin, don't you? Well, what's going to happen?
It's still attached to you. So.
Well,
Shut up, Rob.
What?
My arse hurts.
Oh, my leg. No, I've got my... I don't know what it is. It's digging into my into my hip. Something's digging into my hip and it hurts. Look, ow.
Kneecaps? Oh no, not you. What?
Send conservation off. I got shot earlier, Brian. Only once.
Right,
You got the worst.
him? He fucking took my gun last time and fucking ripped me open with it.
You're alright, boys.
Yeah. I've had worse. Got shot by about 100 paintballs point blank. It was my birthday.
Hey, you've been shot by 2 203s already.
Yeah, 2 203 grenade launchers. About 5 guys with
That's the P&G, isn't it?
Who's got the red laser?
but
Is that yours?
huh?
Is the red laser on yours?
I got red dart.
No, someone had red laser.
There's someone in red. Maybe they can change. Oh no, Golden
I've got
Sniper. Golden Sniper. I bought the
Oh yeah.
weapon from the shop.
You
250
must be
quid.
fucking well in that hoodie. 250 quid.
250 quid. Well, 231 with VAT.
Okay.
You got gas blowback, which is pretty good because on the internet would have cost about 330. Gas blowback. Well, it cost probably more than that.
What?
Gas blowback M4.
Who?
That guy who bought the 250 quid M4 gas blowback.
I wanted that M14.
Not gas blowback. It's electric blowback by
That's
D&G.
the one.
Just eats your battery though, doesn't it? Really?
Which doesn't actually cost, it only costs about 280 if you get a nice bit of kit.
Yeah. Looks alright.
That one costs about 220 off retailer, I'm guessing.
I think the minimal SD5 was about 130, I think, in price for.
Ow.
So this one.
Yeah. And the 47.
I looked like that was quite painful.
Yeah. There's a bit. Someone got me ass, but all this kit on, I'm alright.
Hello, fucking hell. Empty.
Safe state.
Fucking hell, that is on there, isn't it?
Still got my note.
Yeah, you're still gonna take a fucking mag, ain't you?
You took that for me? Cheers. Still video recording.
How the fucking hell? Can't get it on. We can't get it on. There you go.
You hold it.
I'll dump it in your pocket.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Oh, my legs.
Fucking playing him.
Still recording?
Yeah.
I think it's fake.
You a fag?
That was fucking fun, that was.
What, shooting me?
No, and you?
Yeah,
Just
thanks.
generally today.
See you, dude. You just dropped something wrong.
Right?
No.
Oh, didn't.
Okey-donk. Oh, now I want that car. Come on, that is a nice car.